Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is going to be a different video. We're going to be relocating from my filming room, going to the kitchen, and we're going to start prepping for a styled photo shoot that is happening literally in 2 days. I'm excited to give you all the information, what businesses are going to be involved in this photo shoot, and show you all the design and all the details. So without any further ado, let's relocate into my kitchen and let me show you what I will be doing there. Can we just take a second and appreciate this balloon garland one more time? It's been about 2 weeks or something like that since I've made this gorgeous thing, and I can't get over this. It is absolutely stunning. Okay, I need to go prep because I don't have time. So the photo shoot that I will be participating in will happen in a white, pristine looking white room. And the wedding planner that gathered us together to make this photo shoot happen wants to go for a very bright, punchy, very daring colors. I've seen some sneak peeks of the planning and I am loving it. She did such a good job in planning and having all the details in, and just cannot wait to show you the final result. My part in this photo shoot will be that I will be in charge of the wedding cake station. So basically what I will be doing there, I will be creating a balloon garland out of the colors that the wedding planner wanted to go for. I will be drying these oranges to include them into my balloons, into flowers that the wedding planner will be creating, and just the overall setup. So we'll see how that's gonna go. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna start tomorrow. So today I need to not air dry, but oven dry all of my oranges. I don't know how that's gonna go. I found a recipe. Hopefully that's going to work. Seems like I got a lot of oranges. There's a reason for it. I grabbed a whole bunch of different varieties. So this bag over here should be on a redder, more brighter side, and these guys are typical, usual, classic orange color. These are actually grapefruits. So I wanna dry many varieties and many colors of oranges. I don't want to cut them too thick because it's going to take longer to dry them. Let's set this aside. So do you see a difference in the colors? And that's what I like, that's what I want. So perfect. And let's try to cut a grapefruit. So grapefruit will be even richer in color. We need some paper towels and we need to squeeze out as much moisture as we could possibly squeeze out of them, because it will take us longer drying them. So less moisture, faster drying process. Grapefruits will take longer to dry because they are extremely juicy. Now I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, grabbing my oranges and just assembling them on my cooking sheet. Into the oven they go. My oven is preheated to 300 degrees, so they will go in for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna open, flip them, and bake them for another 15 minutes at 300 degrees. And then after those 15 minutes, I'll flip them again, and I will lower the temperature to 155, and I will bake them for an hour. So let's do this. During this time, let's unpack a few packages. Let me show you what colors we're going to be working with, and let's just prep for tomorrow. Let's unpack our first package. So these are the columns, which I am excited about. Let me figure out how they come together, how they are assembled, and then I'll explain everything to you. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, these are beautiful. Okay, as I said, these are columns and they are unfoldable. So this thing is made out of really thick cardboard and it looks like a flower, which is so cute. It's pretty sturdy, I would say. And this one came in scratched, which is not good. Other than that, you guys, this is just like a beautiful, beautiful column. I am so excited to see the rest of the columns assembled. And can you hear that? Our oranges needs to be flipped, so let's flip them. Wow, it smells so good. Back they go for 15 more minutes. 15 more minutes passed. I am flipping them one more time and we're gonna bake them for another hour at 175. That's the lowest that my oven goes down. I brought my columns into the filming room and just set them up against my balloons, and I am in love with these columns. The color of these columns are ivory or beige, not white for sure. Absolutely love how they are made. I love the design. On top, it looks super, super cute. They are sturdy. They are looking good. I didn't have any problems assembling them. Very easy assembly as well. Don't forget to peel off the protective layer from both sides of the plates for the topper, because I didn't and it looked very foggy. Once I figured it out, they look gorgeous. The only thing, I received this plate with a big scratch. I don't know if you can see right there, but other than that, you guys, they are exactly what I was looking for. Very modern, very unique, something that I haven't seen before. So excited to stage them in my future videos. I will link them in the description under this video. Go ahead and check it out. And to conclude all the unboxing, let's unbox 4 more packages to see what we got here, and I'll show you the balloons that I'll be using tomorrow. First package is full of balloons, a lot of balloons, and this is a prep for Valentine's Day setup that I am doing very soon. I'm just waiting on the flowers that are taking forever to come in. So in this we have a whole bunch of Sempertex in red and raspberry color, so that's going to be a beautiful setup. I have some red orbs and I had something else and flowers that I'm waiting for. So this is the first package. Little package from Amazon. More orbs. These are going with me tomorrow. Next package is full of balloons. I know for sure because these are the balloons that I'm taking with me. Woo! I love the colors, you guys. Look at this punchy orange color. Love it so much. So here we have orange, standard orange from Calisan. We have standard blush, again from Calisan. This whole box will be Calisan. Standard coral, standard fuchsia, beautiful color, and more standard coral, just in a bigger size. So these are the colors that I am taking with me. Look at this color palette. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And then I'm gonna add a pop of red with my orbs. Last but not least, you guys, I got another roll of lights. Exactly lights that you see behind me. I got it in warm white. So ready to create beautiful things. I've decided to pull out my tray of oranges. This is the first tray that I was oven drying, and I didn't expect that oranges will take so long to oven dry. So what I am planning to do with oranges will be okay with how they are right now. They are dry, but not as completely dry as I wanted them to be, but they will be okay. If you don't oven dry fruits to the proper dryness, fruit will start to mold because of the moisture inside of the fruits. But I don't think whatever I have right now will start developing mold in 2 days. So I'll just take a risk. I'll pull them out and I'll cut another tray, and I'll oven dry another tray because I want to be done with drying fruit today. And yeah, so I don't have to do anything tomorrow except going to the venue and start prepping for the actual photo shoot. So these will be okay. Let's take them out. This is the last update on my oranges. So I think I have enough oranges. So I started creating this garland out of oranges. So I took a fishing line because I want the line to be invisible, and I have my glue gun. So I am placing glue right on top of the circle of my orange, and at the bottom as well, and I'm gluing fishing line to these 2 spots, and this is how this garland will be constructed. I'm not going to cut fishing line. I'm gonna make a very long garland out of these, and then on a spot I will measure how long I want the pieces to be, garlands to be, and then I'll cut them as I will decorate. So that's it. Okay, you guys, so this is the space that we will be working with. Beautiful, beautiful, big white, sterile, as I like to call it, room. And we're gonna transform this room into something very pretty. This is Raya, the wedding planner that I was telling you about. And this is the wall that we will be using. So let me get to work. Let me prep all the balloons, and cannot wait to construct something awesome here.